Hi, I'm Fawn Germer, and today we are taking our kayaks out there to Caladesi Island State Park. We launch in Dunedin. You can do this yourself because their kayak rentals are behind me. It is not a hard paddle. What a gorgeous day, and there's my usual kayaking sidekick. Hi, Sam. So we're ready to hit the big water.
Come on, let's go.
This is the first place I ever went kayaking, and I rented from this shack. So it's special to me, it's sentimental, and it's where I got hooked on kayaking. I come here all the time. If you can do this on a weekday, that's your best bet, because on the weekends you get boats, jet skis, noise. On a weekday you get a beautiful paddle, quiet waters, and it's just all yours. One day I saw a manatee and a dolphin pod and a bald eagle all at the same time, and I didn't know what to look at. The reason you don't see me wearing my life jacket is I'm in about 1.5 feet of water. A lot of this is less than 5 feet deep. The channel is deeper, but it's usually not anything scary. If it were, I would put it on, but it's just not a hard paddle. Sometimes you get some current and you get experience with that, but if you're renting and you've never done it before, you'll be fine. They will give you lessons at Sail Honeymoon. Hurricane Pass. So right here is Caladesi Island State Park. Right there is Honeymoon Island State Park. Both of them are real gems. In between is this pass. Depending on what the tide's doing, if it's heading out and you hit it at the wrong time, it's very difficult to get back in. So if I go out to these islands, I always check to see what it feels like. And if I'm getting a lot of resistance, I just stop and put in right here at the south tip of this. Perfect! We tend to kayak the same place all the time.
Me too.
My reason is this is the best place I've ever kayaked. I've gone all over the country and different places in the world, and Dunedin, Florida, we've got it.
Yeah, Caladesi's beautiful, and I like that I can be home in my jammies in 20 minutes.
Perfect. Well, I'm done. I hate getting out of the water. What I really love is sunset kayaking over here, and we'll be doing that in a future video. This is to teach you that this is an easy outing. You just come here, show up, you don't need a reservation, get the kayak, go have a beautiful time. You stay as long as you want to stay. It's so gorgeous out there, and especially on a weekday when you don't have to deal with a lot of the interruptions from other people. It is a spectacular way to live.